That's fine. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The King of How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you my variation of hand sanitizer. Nowadays, it's hard to find hand sanitizer in the stores, so I came up with a good way to make your own at home. We're going to need a few things. Rubbing alcohol, minimum 70%. We're going to need some aloe vera gel. We're going to need some essential oils. This is optional. It's just going to make it smell a little bit better other than pure alcohol. As well as we will need some melted coconut oil to make it a little bit less aggressive on your hands. Okay, so we're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of the rubbing alcohol. Next, we're going to add half tablespoon of the aloe vera. Next, we're going to add 2 drops of the essential oils. I'm using lemongrass and lavender in my case. My wife finds those ones smell the nicest. And last, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. We just put it in a microwave for about 15 seconds and it melted it just fine. Now we're going to use a whisk to whip it all together. Okay, it mixes fairly well. Okay, it's not going to be as thick as your regular hand sanitizer, but it works just as well, and it will make your hands nice and silky smooth because of the coconut oil in there. So last step is to use a little funnel if it fits. And then we're going to transfer it from our container to our hand sanitizer bottle. Okay. And there we have it, our homemade hand sanitizer. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for future video ideas.